In today's digital world, making money online has become an accessible option for many. Whether you want to supplement your income, explore new career paths, or achieve financial independence, there are various methods to earn money online without any upfront investment. This guide covers some of the most effective ways you can start today. Everybody is looking for ways to earn money online without investment. First up, freelancing. So, what exactly is freelancing? Freelancing means offering your unique skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Some of the top freelancing platforms are Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Here, you can create a profile and bid on jobs that align with your expertise. Ready to dive in? Start by identifying your skills. Pinpoint the services you can offer. Popular freelancing gigs include writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and digital marketing. Next, craft your profile. Sign up on freelancing platforms and build a compelling profile that showcases your skills, experience, and portfolio. Then, start bidding. Hunt for projects that match your skills and submit standout proposals. Be upfront about your rates and what you deliver. Number 2, online surveys and market research. Many companies pay for consumer opinions to improve their products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and participating in market research. Sign up, register on survey sites, and complete your profile to match you with relevant surveys. Participate. Regularly check for new surveys and participate to earn points or cash. Payments are often made via PayPal or gift cards. Number 3, content creation. What is content creation? Content creation involves producing valuable content for online audiences. This can include blogging, vlogging, video blogging, podcasting, and social media influencing. How to get started? Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic or area of interest where you can provide value and build an audience. Create content. Start a blog using free platforms like WordPress.com or Blogger, or a YouTube channel for video content. For podcasting, use platforms like Anchor. Monetize. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. 4, affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Well, it involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. To get started, first, join affiliate programs. You can sign up for affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Next, promote the products. Share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, or email list. And finally, earn commissions. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. 5, online tutoring and teaching. What is it, you might ask? If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach others online. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, VIP Kid, and Teachable offer opportunities to connect with students worldwide. To get started, sign up. Register on tutoring platforms and complete your profile. Then, offer lessons. Set your availability and start teaching. You can also create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. 6, selling digital products. So what is it? Digital products are intangible items that can be sold and delivered online, such as ebooks, printables, courses, and software. To get started, create digital products. Use tools like Canva for design, Google Docs for ebooks, and Teachable for courses. Then, sell online. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your website to sell your products. In conclusion, earning money online without investment is entirely possible with the right approach and dedication. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, or selling digital products, the key is to leverage your skills and provide value to your audience. Start small, stay consistent, and explore multiple avenues to maximize your earning potential. Subscribe and follow our page for more.